Hey y'all, here Justin with y'all. Did some few minor adjustments, made me a nice new tailgate. It's all real nice. I gotta finish covering those holes right there. Ran me a stack over there and built me my roof. You can see that right there. Came out real nice. I like the look of it. It's a real aggressive look. To run my exhaust through here. Through in there, if you can see that. It's all anchored down. It sounds real nice. Here, I'll fire her up real quick. And hopefully she's warm enough to go take a cruise. But it's real nice in here. I mean, oh, come on, no bitch. There we go. But got me my cab in here. Sounds real nice. Here, we'll go for a quick cruise. Oh, you still cold, you son of a bitch. It's real great, you know. Go out and do my fill. Man, she's still a little cold, but man, she drives real nice and smooth. I like her. Tracks right there, if you can see that. It's all a little burnouts and whatnot. Please leave your comments and